guys, it's Lana here from PICHA's marketing department, and in today's episode we're going to be chatting a bit about social media for photographers and how to use it as a tool in your business and help you achieve success. So before we dive into kind of the nuts and bolts of things and what metrics you want to be tracking and all of those things, I thought it's probably a good idea to talk a bit about why you want to have a social media account, and why a website these days is not really enough. So one of the huge benefits around having a social media account for your photographic business is inevitably somebody who's interested in hiring you will probably Google you or search for you directly on one of the social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You don't have to have an account on all of these platforms, especially if you're running the business on your own. Time can be a precious resource. So I think choose a platform or two that you feel like you can really do it well, and then go all in on those two platforms. So definitely for photographers, I would recommend having an Instagram account because it's an image-based platform. And then because Instagram is connected with Facebook, it really just makes it easier to have a presence there as well. So why is social media necessary? So it doesn't only make you searchable, it also allows you to really control the way that your brand comes across and the way that you connect with audiences via the social media channels. And that goes hand in hand with building your awareness around your brand, so people get to know you, they get to like you, and they get to trust you because you're showing up regularly in the places where they are. I think it's also important to note, depending what type of photography you're into, most of the time when people hire a photographer, it's a very personal choice. They hire you because of who you are. It's a very personal brand. And social media gives you the opportunity to really let people get to know who you are, what you care about, and to connect with you on that level. And that connection is a lot harder to achieve on a static website, for example. So social media platforms gives you an opportunity to really get involved in a few different communities and to position yourself as an authority in whatever photographic niche you currently are in. So whether that is taking part in different photographic groups on Facebook, offering advice, or for example, if you're a wedding photographer, joining a few groups where you know brides-to-be will be hanging out and offering a lot of value there. So always give value, and that'll help build your authority as an expert. So